Hello students, welcome to the digital classes of Christchurch Convent Gadawara. I am Deepak Kaurab, your English teacher. So students of class 6th, open your grammar book PC Ren's Grammar and then open chapter number 12 and the name of this chapter is Subject Verb Agreement. Okay, so let's start doing the exercises of our chapter 12, and the first exercise is fill in the blank with a verb in agreement with its subject. Okay, I repeat, fill in the each blank with a verb in agreement with its subject. Okay, there dash 6 girls in the class. So the answer is there are 6 girls in the class, because girls is in a subjective form, so that's why we have to use a plural auxiliary verb are. Either Rustam or Sohran dash to be blamed. Either Rustam or Sohran is to be blamed. Okay. 2 and 2 dash 4. 2 and 2 make 4. On his desk dash his book and pencil. On his desk are his book and pencil. Neither he nor we dash wrong. ठीक है, neither he nor we are wrong. Here dash Abdul and Hamid. Here are Abdul and Hamid. A ring as well as a brooch dash been stolen, has been stolen. Neither of them dash returned, are returned. Dash Rama or Arjun captain of the school, are Rama or Arjun captain of the school. Is here in ninth one there should be is Rama or Arjun captain of the school. Neither bread nor rice is bad for you. Both bread and rice dash bad for you, are bad for you. Ganpat with his friend dash come today, has come today. So let's see exercise 5th. Fill in the blanks with a verb in agreement with its subject. Okay. Bread and butter dash better than bread or butter. Is 40 yards dash a good distance, is a good distance. Neither he nor she dash present today, was present yesterday. Okay. Balu with Rama dash in the garden, was in the garden. Balu and Rama dash in the garden, was in the garden. The jury dash of 12 person consists of 12 person. Each of the boys dash punished will be punished. Neither he nor I dash there that day, were there that day. Gulliver's Travels dash read by all pupils. Is Rama with 3 other boys dash awarded, were kindness as well as justice dash to be our guide, is to be our guide. The Arabian Nights dash delighted many children, have delighted many children. Let's see exercise C. Fill in the blanks with verb in agreement with the subject. A good man and useful citizen dash passed away, has passed away. Both of you dash mistaken, both of you have mistaken. The jury dash discharge was discharged. The jury dash divided in their opinion. The jury were divided in their opinion. Okay, so you have to write were. Every boy and girl dash taught to read and write was taught to read and write. 700 rupees dash the price of this camera is the price of this camera. 50 rupees dash too much for this article. 50 rupees is too much for this article. One of you dash mistaken has mistaken. There dash has been showers today. There have been many showers today. Where dash all the people gone? Where have all the people gone? Okay, let's see exercise second. Complete each of the following sentences with a verb in agreement with its subject. Okay. First one, a packet of sweets dash given in each to each child was given to each child. Second one, the mother of these poor children dash dead is dead. The mistakes of the child dash amusing are amusing. Which of you two dash willing to go is willing to go. There dash several mistakes in your work was several mistakes in your work. Tom Brown's school days dash interesting are interesting. Milk and soda dash a refreshing drink is a refreshing drink. One of the boys dash hurt in the tournament is hurt in the tournament. The ship with the entire crew dash lost has lost. He with his father dash among the first to arrive were among the first to arrive. Okay, so this is the end of the exercises of your chapter. Thank you.